Okay, so today we're talking about gravity. Now, gravity is defined by the equation F1 equals F2 equals G times mass 1 times mass 2 over R2. Now, R2 is not to be confused with radius. So now what I've gone and done is set up 2 3 kilogram objects 2 meters apart from each other. Now it's a bit hard to see to fit in my bathroom, but now I drew a little diagram to make this a lot easier. So now what R is R is the distance from the center point of each object. So now since it would start from here to there, so from the center point of the 3 kilogram object there and the center point here would be 2 meters. So now force 1 and force 2 will always be equal to each other. So you always set those equal to each other. Now G is a constant. G will always be the same thing. So now we come down here. G is 6.67 times 10 to the power of negative 11 times mass per kilogram squared. Now I've gone and taken the liberty of defining variables here. So we have mass 1 is 3 kilograms, mass 2 is 3 kilograms, and R is 2 meters. Remember, those are the center points, not radius. Now, I have written out the equation we would use. So we have F1 equals F2, which equals 6.67 times 10 to the negative 11th power times mass per kilogram squared. Now we have 3 kilograms times 3 kilograms, both of our masses, over 2 meters squared, which is our R. So now this is 9 divided by 4, which is 2.25. So we simplified that a little bit. Now this simplified some more. It turns out to be 1.5 times 10 to the negative 10th power. Now this is a really tiny, as you can tell. These objects are being attracted to each other very slightly, but will not move towards each other throughout. You need a huge object like the Earth and the Moon or the Sun and the planets. 2 spray bottles are not going to get the job done of moving each other. I hope this helps you understand the concept of gravity some more.